This is the Tzendolimble by Moderoid from the Knights in Magic manga. It was a fun model to build. The instructions were pretty good. There were some areas that it was a little hard to tell where things went, but it went pretty well. The biggest problem I had with this build is the parts were heavily connected to the parts frame. You would spend a lot of time clipping, then filing, then sanding with 1500 grit sponges if you really want a clean build. Otherwise, you will have a lot of scarring, pitting, and discolored areas. I've not put many decals on, as you can probably see. It came with a lot, probably 200. I haven't decided how many I'm going to put on, as to me putting the decals on is just too tedious. But it does make the model look a whole lot better. The Tzendolimble model impressively maintains its pose without falling apart. It's a testament to its quality construction. This feature enhances the overall building experience, allowing for dynamic posing without the frustration of constant reassembly. The model didn't require any glue to make parts stay together. I would buy this one again. I wanted the green one and somehow ended up with the blue one. I don't even know how I ended up with the green one. I grabbed it off my Amazon list, but somehow it chose the blue model even though it was the green one on my list. Anyway, I was going to send it back, but after opening it up and looking at it, I decided to go ahead and build it. The instructions had a lot of decent colored pictures of the model. The box, though, was like just blue color, so you couldn't really tell what was what. It's just all blue. However, this model will require some painting if you really want it to look exactly like the pictures in the instruction book. We have another Knights in Magic build to do, and when we do, we'll show it to you when we're done. As always, thank you for watching another episode of Stillona's Reviews. Please like and subscribe, and please consider supporting me on Patreon. My plan is for supporters to weigh in on what I build next. All right, thank you.